Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a plant video, and let us start off with this beautiful sedum which is just glowing in the sun. And look at the change in the color. With the days passing, it is just changing its color. It's looking more and more pretty. Look at it. It was fully green and now it is turning dusty pink. Look at it. Very easy to grow sedum, and yes, it's going to make you happy. Now this is my variegated jade, or the Portulicara afra variegator, which I wanted to show you for a long time, but somehow I used to miss. It's a cascading jade. Look at it. Look at the branches, how long it has become. Sometimes I think I will chop it off, sometimes again I don't feel like doing so, so I have left it the way it was, and this is how it looks. A pretty beautiful plant. Look at it. It was a teeny tiny plant and now it has become so beautiful, so big. I just love it. Now this is also the Portulicara afra variegator, which is a little bit differently colored and equally pretty. Look at it. Look at the variegation in the leaf. Look at the stems, which are a brownish red or brick red in color. Look at the leaves. I just love it. And the new leaves that are popping up are just adorable. It just looks like a flower. Now this is the chrysanthemum, which is about to bloom. I have been showing you this plant for quite some time, since it was in the bud stage. And yes, I was thinking it to be peachish, but it is pinkish and I love it equally. What a beautiful pink it is. And this is going to be my first chrysanthemum, which is going to bloom under my care this season. Finally, my maple leaf ivy has been shifted to a decent pot. I did this yesterday, and I think very soon it's going to look happy and lively. This is how it looks right now. Now this is my Syngonium albo, one of my favorite again, a beautiful plant. Thank God it has acclimatized to the climate here in my place. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's bright and sunny and hot too. Actually, Syngoniums are shade loving plants. Thank God this particular plant has acclimatized to our climate. I just love the leaves. Look at the variegation. A beautiful, beautiful plant. Now that's the Tradescantia, the miniature one, along with its a bigger elder brother, and that's how it is doing. This is my Hawatia linifolia, again a hardy succulent, but you must be careful not to overwater them, because if you do that, the whole plant is going to turn black. Finally, again a new set of leaf has emerged in my string of hearts variegator, and out of fear I am not disturbing the plants all huddled and cuddled up there in the bottom. Now this is my wandering Jew, again one of my favorite. Look at it, how happy and how beautiful they look. A beautiful plant. That's my Syngonium strawberry ice. The heat has burnt one side of the leaf, although I had placed it in a shady spot. Still the leaf has got burnt. That's not the mature leaf, but still it has got burnt. And yes, it's doing well right now after a few hiccups. Now this is my Calathea, the green one, a very slow growing one. Finally, from 2 leaves, it has 6 leaves. Yes, this is also an achievement, so I thought I should share this with you. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have found the video useful, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.